Listen, this is the story of a girl who loved a man she could never see. Her name was Maya, and she was blind. But here's the thing about Maya. She didn't need eyes to know what love felt like. She met him on a rainy Tuesday, a coffee shop. She could smell the storm on his jacket when he sat beside her.
All week.
Cedar
This is
and
exactly what I
rain.
needed.
He asked if the seat was taken. His voice. God, his voice was warm honey and safety all at once. "It's yours now," she said. And just like that, it began. His name was Daniel, and he fell for her the moment she smiled. Really smiled. Not at him, but at something he said. Like his words painted pictures only she could see. Every morning, he'd describe the sunrise to her. Not just the colors, the feeling. "It's like the sky is blushing," he'd whisper, his fingers tracing her palm. "Like it's nervous to start the day without you." She'd laugh. That laugh that made his chest ache. Maya loved him through touch. The way his hand fit perfectly in the small of her back. The way his heartbeat quickened when she leaned close. She memorized the rough patch on his thumb, the scar on his wrist he got as a kid. She memorized him. But here's what broke her. One night, lying in his arms, she whispered, "I wish I could see you." He went quiet. Then he took her hands and placed them on his face. "Then see me," he said. "Really see me." Her fingers traced his jawline, his cheekbones, the curve of his smile, and she cried. Because she realized something. She'd been seeing him all along. Not with her eyes, with everything else. The way he always walked on the side of the traffic. The way he described the world like it was made of poetry. The way he loved her, not despite her blindness, but with every beautiful part of her. Maya loved too deeply, yes, but Daniel, he loved her deeper. And sometimes, that's exactly how love is supposed to feel, even in the dark.